Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's the 2017 Nissan GTR R35, part of the Hot Wheels ID for 2019. So there's the card art, or excuse me, packaging art if you want to check that out. So there's all that stuff. Go ahead and pause and read that if you want to. Alright, so it's a pretty nice box. So there it is, pretty sweet. Got all the details on there, headlights, grille, all those parts detailed in there. Taillights, of course. It's a metal body, plastic base there, plastic clear base, so you can see the chip in there. So pretty sweet, especially with the details. Now the Hot Wheels ID cars are typically Spectraflame. This one is not, as far as I could tell. I don't really know if they have a white Spectraflame per se. This one to me just looks like your typical like pearlescent white, sparkly white paint. But pretty cool nonetheless. It's factory fresh, so you know, it hasn't been graphicked up or anything like that. All right, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.